Okay, so the first question we'll answer is 3,478 plus 5,737. So the best way to approach these kinds of questions is to write things out and to give yourself a bit of room to do your working. So I'll write out this. So what is it? 3,478, and you'll notice I'm putting the digits a fair bit apart so that there is space to work and to understand which place value each digit is in. And for the second number, I'm going to start from the ones digit, or the units place, and go like this so that everything lines up correctly. Okay, and we're adding. So let's start solving this problem. So 8 plus 7, that's the first one we're going to have a look at. 8 plus 7 is 15, right? So the units digit goes here, and the ones digit, and the tens digit, sorry, gets carried over to the next place value. So we're here 7 and 3 is 10, plus the 1 gives us 11. Okay, so this one goes here, and this one gets carried over to the next place. 7 and 4 is 11, plus this 1 is 12. So remember, this units goes to the bottom, and the ones and the tens column goes over to the next place. And 5 and 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. There's only one digit, so that can go straight in here, and this is the correct answer. So if we do the same process to this problem, we'll see that it's quite helpful to do it in the same order. So we'll do this one first. So 6,746. So again, spread them out, so you got plenty of room to do your working. 6, 7, 4, 6. And again, for the second number, I'm going to start with the ones place, or the units place, and write them in essentially backwards. So 4, 5, 6, 9, and you can see the value now because now I'm going beyond what I had in the top set of numbers, set of digits. So 9, then we go 7, and then we go 8. So it doesn't really matter that these don't line up. Okay, so now we can solve. And 6 plus 4 is 10, so the units digit goes to the bottom, so it's 0, and this 1 gets carried over to the next place. So 5 and 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so again we get that scenario where the 0 goes to the bottom and the 1 gets carried over. 6 and 7 is 13, plus 1 is 14, right? So the 4 goes to the bottom and the 1 gets carried over again. 9 and 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16, right? So this 6 goes to the bottom and the 1 gets carried. 7 and 1 is 8, 8 and nothing is 8, and so that is the correct answer.